come right up to him. And you can go, and I want you to go to 60 kilometers an hour. Go ahead. Go to 60 kilometers an hour through the pit. And then when I tell you to, I want you to step on the gas, okay? But just keep going 60, follow the road out. All right, and you can step on the gas now. Awesome. It's going to be a gradual right-hand turn. I want you to start turning in slowly, slow down, let off the gas. Turn in, aim for that orange cone there. Keep turning more. Perfect, and aim for that cone. And you can step on the gas. Gas, not brake, gas.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay. Now I want you to squeeze the brake hard. Harder. Okay, so turn in and hit the gas. Okay, keep going, follow the corner, aim for that cone. Stick to the right. You're gonna squeeze the brake. Yep, and then turn in, let off and turn in. Let off the brake, turn in, and then stick to the right, aim for there. And then follow to that cone. And I want you to stick to the right-hand side, let go of the brake, stick to the right-hand side, let off the gas. Let off the gas. Okay, brake, and turn in. There you go, step on the gas. Perfect. You're gonna follow the cones. You're gonna try and get close to that cone, and you're gonna try and get close to that cone. Perfect. You're gonna try to close to that cone. And what I want you to do is then hug the road on the right. Don't go on the grass, but hug to the road further on the right. You're gonna brake and you're gonna turn left. And what I want you to do is once you pass this second orange cone, I want you to stick to the left for me, okay? Stick to the left. And let off the gas. Alright, now you step on the gas and you're going to brake right here at this cone and turn in. Alright, you step on the gas. Gas, step on the gas. Gas. Stick to the left.
So loud, man.
And I want you to turn right. Try to match this cone. Try to match then that cone. Perfect. Turn to the right, turn in to the right. Perfect, and step on the brake. Brake. And turn in. Good, now let go and go to the gas. And you can step on the gas here. And you can really step on it once you pass this cone. Step on the gas. Stay to the left. Step on it if you want. You can go fast here. Stick to the left. And brake. Brake harder. And turn in. Let go of the brake. Do not touch the brake here. Just step on the gas. Do not touch. Yep. Step on the gas. Stick to the left side of the road. And brake. Heavier. Harder. And turn. And don't touch. Just gas. So once you turn, I want you to let go of the brake, okay? Keep going. Keep gas up. Stick to the left. More gas. And turn to the right. Turn in. More. Aim for that cone. Good. Aim for that top cone. Very good. That was excellent. All right. You're going to brake, and let go of the brake and turn in. Very good. More. Excellent. Now keep going. Keep turning. Touch that cone, and excellent. Now you're going to brake here and turn into the left. Brake, more brake. Oh. Okay. I want you to do all your braking before you turn, okay? Okay, you can give it some gas. Try to touch the cone. Perfect. I want you to do all your braking now. Brake. Turn in, let off the brake. Turn in. Perfect. Now gas. Aim for the outside cone. Very good. Now turn in. And aim for the outside corner. Over there. Turn right. Stay against this road here. You're going to brake and turn in. Excellent. That's fantastic. We're going to aim for the orange cone there. Brake, and turn it. brake and turn. There you go. That's excellent. Excellent. Wait for that cone there, and step on the gas. You can go fast here. Awesome. All right, stick to the left. Step on the brake. And turn in, let off. Yeah, nice. Good job. Don't touch the brake there. Gas, gas, gas. Brake. Heavy brake. And turn in. And just use the gas. And you're going to brake. And you're going to turn in slowly. And you're going to try to aim for that orange cone. More, more, more. Yes, now gas. Brake. More brake. And turn in. And gas. Aim for the orange cones. Aim for the orange cones. You missed 3. It's okay. It's okay. Brake and turn in. Gas. Excellent. Oh, that's beautiful. Turn in. That's okay. Aim for that one. And aim for that one.
I'm ready.
Turn in and stick to the right. And you're going to brake hard. And turn left. What I want you to do is stay to the left side of the road and let off the gas. Stay to the left side. Let go of the gas. Let go of the gas. Just keep staying on the left. Don't go on the grass. All right, excellent. Now you're going to brake and you're going to turn right. And then I want you to, after you turn, stay on the left side. Okay? Turn. And stay on the left side. Let off the gas and stay on the left side. And go. Just keep going. Brake and turn in.
Am I not pressing
That's
it
good.
hard?
Nope, that's fine. Step on the gas, stay to the left. And what you're gonna do now is you're just gonna stay on the left, the left, the left, the left. Yep. Because we're now going straight ahead. We're not gonna turn right here.
Okay.
Okay. All right, you're gonna follow this road on the right here, and we're gonna go back into the pits.
Yay.
Very good job.
Thank you for your guidance.
Of course, no, you did good. You know, just park up where that car just parked at the front. You can even go right behind them. Awesome. Excellent. Good